night was cold, the wind did wail. The lights from the car shone cold and pale. It was 81 on Christmas Eve night. The snow was falling, Christmas would be white. If the mind could talk, it would tell a tale of drugs and the horrible crime of a man pushed alive into the Ornoff mine. The figures approaching the Ornoff mine were intent on a terrible crime. The man owed money for drugs, so they say. Since he had no money, with his life he paid. If the mind could talk, it would tell a tale of drugs and the horrible crime of a man pushed alive into the Ornoff mine. 2 weeks later, the crime came to light when one involved had a heart filled with pride. To the police he confessed then he was the one who pushed the man in. Guns pointing at him, fearing for his life, he sent the man plunging into the night. The men will be punished